Hello friends, let's implement abstract factory pattern. So let's zoom it. So first we will create the product. First we will create window product and then dialog product. Within a window product, we have MS window related product and Max window related product. So this window is a family, and the operating systems, the window is utilized by Microsoft Window and the same window is utilized by Max window. But both has a different features. In MS window, the painting logic might be different, and in Max window, the painting logic will be different. So let's create the window product, and after that we will create the dialog product. Come to Visual Studio. So for the sake of convenience, I have already written the code because it is not too complicated code. So first you see your abstract window. So this window has the two methods. One is set title and one is your paint. And this is implemented by your MS window here, and it is inherit from abstract window, and within that paint method we just give some convenient message inside paint of MS window and set title inside set title of MS window. So similarly for Max window is also inherit from abstract window. So here inside paint of Max window, inside set title of Max window. So in the same way, the abstract dialog is there. So abstract dialog, it has also set title and set paint method, and MS dialog and your Max dialog. So friends, if you see the class diagram now, this part, the product family part is completed, window and the dialog. So come to the left side. Now we implement the factory. So in the factory, first we need to create AbstractWidgetFactory, and it has the creation logic of window and creation logic of dialog. It's a declarations, and the concrete factory will implement the logic. So let's go and see. So AbstractWidgetFactory, this is abstract factory, and it has the first one is your abstract window and second one is your return type is abstract dialog. So the concrete factory, first MS widget factory, so it is inherit from abstract widget factory. And what's the definition? Abstract dialog, create dialog, it is returning here because it is MS widget factory, so it will return MS related product. So MS related product in the sense that MS dialog and MS window. In the same way, if you see here Max widget factory, it is returning Max dialog and Max window. So let's come to the class diagram. So this widget factory, this concrete widget factory, MS window and Max widget factory is also completed. Now we will see the client. So client will use the interface or abstract class. Clients will use this abstract window and the abstract product. Similarly, client will also take the help of abstract widget factory to get the benefit of MS window. So what's the main theme of abstract design pattern? The main theme of abstract design pattern is what? Client does not have any idea about your concrete definitions. Client simply use the abstract class or interface. And in future, suppose we want to enhance this window family, then we can enhance at any time. So let's see the client for it. So let's write the abstract widget factory reference. So it will be your OS Windows factories. So the concrete definitions will be your MS widget factory. So let's abstract window reference, and this will be your MS window, and we can use the factories object dot create window. So this MS widget factory create window method. So let's see, this is your MS widget factory, yeah, this one. You can see the create window will return the concrete product MS window. Similarly, you can create dialog, and that is your MS dialog. with Windows Factory dot create dialog. So let's call the different method under MS Window dot set title and MS Window dot paint method. So for readability, I am just providing one extra line here, console dot write line, nothing. Next you can check your MS dialog dot set title and MS dialog dot paint method. So let's run the application and see the output. So let's zoom it. You can see that inside set title of MS Window, inside paint of MS Window, and inside set title of MS dialog and paint of MS dialog. So friend, the main concept of abstract factory pattern. So here we created the factory of Windows related product, and similarly you can test here the Macs related factories. So what's the main difference between the factory patterns and the abstract factory pattern? In factory method pattern, as you see, come to the presentations. In factory pattern, there is a .NET exam factory, the single factory class is there, and it written this create exam method will create the objects. And here it is not creating the object of families or dependents. It's simply written a .NET concrete class here. This .NET exam factory written the .NET and Java exam factory written the Java. But in case of your abstract factory method pattern, if you see, zoom it here, this MS widget factory is responsible for what? It's written the window product, that is your MS Window product, and it also written the Windows families, another one is your dialog product. So this particular abstract factory method, abstract factory pattern, you can use in the situations when you able to find out there is some families are there in the product. You think about a product where we can create families, we can see that there is a dependency in between the objects, and then at that situations you can use the concept of abstract factory pattern so that independently object can be created, and client don't have any idea about the concrete definition of the product. Client can use the abstractions of abstract factory pattern in a better way. Thank you friends. In the next sessions we will see other creational design pattern.